Hey guys, my name is Aman. So recently I purchased the Tribit XSound Go Bluetooth speaker. So let me tell you more about it. Inside the box, we will find the speaker, the charging cable and user documents. These powerful speakers produce a 16-watt audio output with great bass and treble. Its loud sound and rich bass will make the music lovers groove with the music. Owing to the latest version of Bluetooth, this speaker connects immediately and provides uninterrupted music streaming. Once fully charged, the speaker offers a battery backup of 24 hours. Hence, you can enjoy non-stop music on the speaker. This speaker is also waterproof, which makes it a perfect musically during pool parties or enjoying music in light rains. It has a multifunction button which summons a voice assistant and manages multiple controls on the speaker. This speaker is available in two color options, blue and black, so you can take whichever you like. This speaker is definitely an apt product for your daily use.
Presenting the Tribit XSound Go 16W 5.0 Bluetooth speaker. It comes in color options of blue, blue and black. It comes with crisp mids and rich bass, lightweight portable speaker and microphone design with built-in mic. Calls through this Bluetooth speaker. Enjoy loud stereo sound with rich bass music everywhere. And press and hold the multifunction button to access the voice input for Siri and Google Now. It has 5.0 technology and upgraded version. It comes with USB charging ports, powerful lithium-ion battery and up to 24 hours of continuous long-lasting use. It also features Bluetooth-enabled devices up to 100 feet range. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.
Headphone use is a recommendation. একটা ডেমো দিচ্ছি।
तेरे दिल के मकाम में है रहना, संग तेरे ही जिंदगी बिता लेनी है।
50% वॉल्यूम ऑन है।
मेरा चांद तू है ना,
50 रो कम।
जिद करना है दिल की करा लेनी है। तेरे दिल के मकाम में है रहना, संग तेरे ही जिंदगी बिता लेनी है। सच्ची बोल मेरा चांद तू है ना, जिद करना है दिल की करा लेनी है। तकदा ही जावा ना तेनू चावा, नजरा तेरे तो ना हटावा मैं। तेरा इंज शर्मोना अखां नूं झुकाउणा, तेनू विखदा ही ठा मर जावा मैं।